How to get a custom crosshair on PS5, Xbox, or PS4. I'm going to tell you how to get a custom crosshair on PS5, Xbox, or PS4. Unlike PC, consoles don't let you change your crosshair in system settings. But there are still a few smart workarounds. First, use a crosshair overlay device like the Hori TAC Pro, Chronus Zen, or Strike Pack. These plug into your console and add a digital crosshair overlay to any shooter game. No modding required. Another option, try using a monitor with a built-in crosshair settings. Brands like Asus, BenQ, and MSI have gaming monitors that let you add on-screen reticle directly from the display's menu. Works on any console. Lastly, for a cheap DIY trick, some players use a clear piece of tape and a marker to draw a dot at the center of their screen. It's old school, but it works, especially for hipfire accuracy.